Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer XRP from your Phantom wallet to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a pro, I'll walk you through the steps to make this process smooth and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it contains some XRP. You'll also need an active account on Exmo, the exchange where you're sending your tokens. Double-check that both are updated for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and unlock it using your password or biometric authentication. This is your gateway to managing your crypto. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your assets and select XRP from your portfolio. You'll see your balance and options to send or receive. Step 3. Tap on the Send or Transfer button. Now, you need the recipient's address. Head over to your Exmo account, log in, and go to the Wallet section. Find your XRP deposit address and copy it carefully. Accuracy is key to prevent any mishaps. Step 4. Back in Phantom Wallet, paste the Exmo address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to subtract any network fees that might apply in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including the amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, hit confirm and sign the transaction with your wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, but it depends on network conditions. Once it's done, check your Exmo account to verify the XRP has arrived. A quick tip: always use secure networks and double-check addresses to protect against scams. Crypto can be volatile, so stay informed about any 2025 updates to regulations or wallet interfaces. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Let's keep building your crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.